Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered what's right under your feet? And I don't mean the floorboards or the sidewalk. I mean what's really deep down, thousands of kilometers beneath the surface. Today, we're going on an epic journey to the center of the Earth, without leaving our chairs. Let's peel back the layers of our planet and uncover the secrets of its core. So picture the Earth like a giant peach. You've got the thin skin, the fleshy part, and the hard pit in the middle. Our planet is kind of similar. The skin is the crust, the part we live on. It's surprisingly thin, only about 30 to 50 kilometers thick under continents and even thinner under the oceans. If Earth were an apple, the crust would be thinner than the apple's skin. Pretty wild, right? Beneath the crust we hit the mantle. This is the fleshy part of our peach analogy. The mantle is a massive layer of hot, dense rock that's about 2,900 kilometers thick. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though it's solid rock, the mantle flows like super thick honey over millions of years. This slow-motion movement is what drives tectonic plates, causing earthquakes and creating mountains. So the ground beneath us is constantly, albeit slowly, on the move. But how do we even know this stuff? We haven't drilled that deep. The deepest hole ever drilled by humans, the Kola super deep borehole, only went down about 12 kilometers. That's barely scratching the surface. The answer lies in something you might not expect: earthquakes. When an earthquake happens, it sends out shock waves or seismic waves that travel through the entire planet. Scientists, called seismologists, are like Earth's doctors. They use instruments called seismographs to listen to these waves all around the world. The way these waves speed up, slow down, bend, or even bounce off different layers tells us exactly what the Earth's interior is made of, its temperature, and its density. It's like giving the Earth an ultrasound. It's a brilliant piece of scientific detective work. After traveling through the mantle, we finally arrive at the main event, the core. This is the pit of our peach, and it's where things get really extreme. The core is divided into two parts, the outer core and the inner core. Together, they make up about a third of Earth's mass. Let's start with the outer core. This layer is about 2,200 kilometers thick, and it's made of scorching hot, liquid iron and nickel. We're talking temperatures between 4,000 and 5,000 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the sun. Because it's liquid, this iron is constantly churning and swirling around. And this swirling liquid metal does something incredible. It generates Earth's magnetic field. Think of it like a giant spinning dynamo. This magnetic field is super important. It acts like an invisible shield, protecting us from harmful solar winds and cosmic radiation that would otherwise strip away our atmosphere. So, next time you use a compass, you can thank the swirling liquid iron thousands of kilometers below you. No outer core, no magnetic field, and probably no life on Earth as we know it. Now let's dive even deeper, right to the very center of our planet, the inner core. You'd think that with the pressure increasing it would stay liquid, but something amazing happens. Even though the temperature is even higher here, around 5,200 degrees Celsius, the pressure is absolutely immense. It's about 3.6 million times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. This insane pressure forces the iron and nickel atoms to pack so tightly together that they can't move around like a liquid. They are forced into a solid state. So, at the very heart of our planet is a solid ball of metal, about the size of the moon. And get this. Recent studies suggest the inner core might be spinning slightly faster than the rest of the planet. Scientists are still debating why, but it's a fascinating idea. Imagine a solid metal sphere, hotter than the sun's surface, spinning away in the heart of a liquid metal ocean, all deep beneath our feet. It's the stuff of science fiction, but it's real. So why does any of this matter to us up here on the surface? Well, as we've seen, the core is fundamental to our existence. The heat from the core escaping through the mantle drives plate tectonics, shaping our continents and oceans. The liquid outer core gives us our protective magnetic field, which is essential for life and for our technology to function. Understanding the core helps us understand earthquakes, volcanoes, and the very ground we build our cities on. It helps us piece together the history of our planet and even predict its future. The secrets buried deep within the Earth are not just geological curiosities. They are the keys to understanding our home. From the thin, rocky crust we call home, down through the slowly flowing mantle into the fiery liquid outer core, and finally to the solid, spinning heart of our world. We've made an incredible journey. The next time you walk outside, take a moment to think about the amazing, dynamic, and powerful world that lies hidden right beneath your feet. It's a constant reminder of how complex and wonderful our planet truly is. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive into the Earth's core. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more adventures into the world of science. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. As always, stay curious and I'll see you in the next one.